One moment he was perfectly fine. The next, his heart suddenly stopped. But this isn't a heart attack, so what just happened? His heart is no longer pumping blood. Within seconds, every organ begins fighting for oxygen. Many people think this is a heart attack. It isn't. Cardiac arrest is a completely different emergency. If it isn't a blocked artery, then what actually tells your heart to beat every second of your life? Every heartbeat begins with a tiny electrical signal, one so small you could never feel it, yet powerful enough to keep you alive. Sometimes a tiny electrical disturbance can throw the heart's perfectly coordinated rhythm into complete chaos. Instead of squeezing together, the heart muscle begins trembling uncontrollably, unable to pump blood through your body. Within seconds, oxygen-rich blood can no longer reach your brain, lungs, or the rest of your body. This is why people experiencing cardiac arrest often collapse within seconds. The brain can no longer stay conscious without oxygen. Every passing second matters. Without blood flow, more brain cells begin losing the oxygen they desperately need to survive. If the heart has stopped pumping, can anything temporarily replace its job until help arrives? Each compression briefly pushes blood through the body, buying precious time until the heart can beat again. The blood flow isn't normal, but even this temporary circulation can help keep vital brain tissue alive. Chest compressions keep blood moving, but they usually cannot restore the heart's normal rhythm. So what can? A defibrillator doesn't restart a stopped heart. It stops the dangerous electrical chaos so the heart can try to reset itself. Inside the heart, one carefully delivered shock interrupts the chaotic electrical signals, giving the natural pacemaker a chance to take control again. For a split second, nothing happens. Then suddenly, one heartbeat. As oxygen returns, the brain begins recovering. But every minute without blood flow has already left its mark. Even after the heart starts beating again, doctors must quickly find out what caused the cardiac arrest in the first place. Cardiac arrest isn't a disease itself. It's often the result of another serious problem affecting the heart. A heart attack doesn't always cause cardiac arrest, but it can damage the heart enough to trigger one. Inherited heart conditions, severe electrolyte imbalances, and certain heart diseases can also disrupt the heart's electrical system. The faster cardiac arrest is recognized and treated, the greater the chance of survival, and the better the chance of protecting the brain. For survivors, recovery doesn't always happen instantly. The body may recover quickly, but the brain often needs much longer to heal. Brain cells that survived begin reconnecting, allowing lost functions to gradually return through recovery and rehabilitation. Many survivors return to normal life, but recovery often requires time, rehabilitation, and regular medical care. Not every case can be prevented, but understanding your heart and managing risk factors can greatly reduce the danger. Your heart works tirelessly every second of your life. Understanding how it works could one day help save a life, perhaps even your own. Every day, your heart beats over 100,000 times, yet most of us never notice it until something goes wrong. All it takes is one serious disruption to this tiny electrical network, and life can change in an instant. Knowing the difference between a heart attack and cardiac arrest isn't just knowledge. It can help people respond faster during an emergency. Every discovery about the heart has helped doctors save countless lives, and research continues every single day. Cardiac arrest reminds us of one powerful truth. When the heart stops, every second truly matters. The sooner cardiac arrest is recognized, the sooner blood flow can be restored, and the greater the chance of survival. Each heartbeat delivers oxygen, nutrients, and life to every organ. Miss enough of them, and the body begins to shut down. Even while you sleep, your heart continues beating faithfully, asking for nothing in return. Every heartbeat begins with a tiny electrical impulse, a signal so small, yet powerful enough to sustain an entire human life. Understanding how your heart works isn't just fascinating science. It could one day help save a life. Your heart is more than a muscle. It's a living electrical pump that keeps every cell in your body alive. Trillions of cells depend on every heartbeat. When the heart stops, every part of the body feels the consequences. Recognizing cardiac arrest and calling for emergency help immediately can make the difference between life and death. From your very first heartbeat to your last, your heart works tirelessly. Every second, every minute, every day of your life. Your heart never asks for recognition, yet it works every moment to keep you alive. Understanding how it works is the first step toward protecting it. If you enjoyed this journey inside the human body, subscribe to Hidden Science AI for more cinematic medical documentaries.